Yo guys, what's good? It's me Sean. So in this video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the best platform to use if you want to get into day trading. I'm telling you guys, this platform right here, tradingsim.com, is the best platform to use. I'm gonna just let you guys know off the bat that this thing costs around 49 bucks a month. So if you guys don't want to pay, that's totally fine. But I am telling you guys, you will learn how to trade and get a better criteria much faster if you just pay for the software. But if you guys don't want to pay, I linked a video on the top right to show you guys how you can learn trading for free and how you can come up with a good criteria, come up with some good strategies, all for free, but it will take longer. But this platform right here teaches you trading faster because you can actually speed up days and you can pick random days. If I want to go back to 2018, I can do that. I can go any date. That's pretty insane, not gonna lie with you guys. And then here you guys can also buy shares, sell shares, you guys can change the speed. It's just an overall super fast way to learn trading. And now I'm going to just show you guys all around, all the settings, all the options. Alright guys, first here is your market panel. So here, as you guys can see, is all the stocks that you can choose from. If you want to have IBN, you can change to IBN. If you want to have SPY, you can change to SPY. So these are where all your stocks are. And you can also X out stocks, and you can also add up your own stocks. Just look up their symbol and press add, and then it's going to be added. Right over here, the top right is settings. So for settings, here's layout. In my opinion, I think that you should keep it the same. I mean, here you guys can look at the old chart engine, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm gonna just refresh the page. See guys, this right here is the old chart. If you guys like this chart better, if it's more visually appealing to you, you guys can just use this. All up to you. But in my opinion, I would not use this because I like the other one better. Money and risk management. Here you guys can set your account balance, and then here you guys can just add in limitations. So if you guys have a max loss, you guys can add that. If you guys want a max daily loss, I never used this, but if you want, you could use this. Trading fees is just, I guess if you want to make your trading more realistic, then you can just adjust these fees towards the same fees as your broker. And then for notifications, just keep this on. Just keep it on. Chart is, if you guys want to have a 2 chart like this, you guys can do that. And if you guys want to have a 3 chart, 4 chart, it all depends on you. But you guys can also change charts, which is super effective. And then analytics, you guys can just go on here. Alright, so these are your analytics. You guys see a chart here. These were mine for the past 2 days. I reset in my stats on Thursday. So far 24 in 2 days. That's okay, whatever. And then here you guys can see your total gain, loss, your average. This is not that important, but average winning trade, average losing trade. You have your total number of trades. You guys have everything here. You guys have commissions, fees, everything. And then here you guys can also see how many wins you have in a row, how many losses you have in a row. So these talk about how good your times were. So Tuesday and Wednesday are so far my best days. And then these are my best times to trade. And then here, as you guys can see, your best days, your worst days. And then here, which is super good, you guys can track all your trades. So here, as you guys can see, I can see I've entered at 9:56 on April 18th. Here I can see I've entered at 10:48 in 58 seconds. It's so precise, and you guys can go back and study the trade. You guys can analyze it. It's super good. And then here, if you guys want to reset all your stats, you guys can press clear history, and it's going to reset everything back to normal. So nothing will be there. And then here's your hold time, so how long you've been in the trade for. And if you guys want to export all your data, you guys can just click this. And then next is your hotkeys. You guys can just use this to make shortcuts. So if you guys want to be like, I want to press shift to buy, go ahead, you can do that. I don't really use it. And Need Help just gives you free beginner courses that you can use to learn the software in a better way and to also learn some beginner strategies. And it's just overall a good thing for beginners. And provide feedback, self-explanatory. And then here, you guys can see is your time. You guys can move forward, backwards. You guys can change the time speed. You guys can change the date. And you guys can also make lines here, as you guys can see. And yeah, that's basically all. And then here you guys can just change your 10-minute, 15-minute indicators, and if you guys are old school and trade with the bars, which is pretty stupid, not gonna lie, then you guys could do that. And that's all. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'm out. Peace.